All right, here's going to be an example for you for how to write out reaction details in words. So we need to take our reaction equation here and start thinking about what's going on. All right, so first of all, to explain the reaction, we need to be able to say what the starting materials are. So if I was going to put this in words, I would start with my main organic. So I would say that 2-bromo, 2-methylpropane is reacted, and next I want to give my reagent, so with sodium cyanide, and then I want to probably next say my solvent, in diethyl ether. Okay, so that's the beginning. That just says what's happening. So I have here, I have my 2-bromo, 2-methylpropane. Here I have sodium cyanide, so really cyanide is my reagent. That's going to be my nucleophile. And here's my solvent, diethyl ether. Right, so now you have to try and describe what's going to happen. Well, since it's an SN1 reaction, this pair of electrons will leave with a bromine. So let's try to explain that in words. So the bond between carbon and bromine breaks with electron pair going on to bromine. Then we have to think about what that leaves behind. This will leave a carbocation intermediate with a positive charge at C2. So let me draw that. Okay, so that's our intermediate. Then the second step is going to be the electron pair from cyanide forming a new bond to that carbocation intermediate. Right, so again, let's think about how we say that. So the lone pair of electrons on cyanide move to the positively charged carbon, forming a new bond. So let's draw that. It would form this molecule, and now you have to name that. And then if we want to name the product, we have to find nitrile is our functional group. So there's one carbon here, one carbon here, one carbon there. That's the longest chain containing the nitrile, so 1, 2, 3. And here at the 2 carbon, we have 2 different methyl groups. So the lone pair of electrons on cyanide move to the positively charged carbon, forming a new bond. This yields the product 2,2-dimethyl propane nitrile.